Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Alphabet Animal Kingdom, how to draw a monkey. M is for monkey. Draw a light blob. About halfway in the center of the circle, draw an oval. And then what you're going to do is have some lines pointing down. And that's going to also connect a little bit up, not too high up. Little eyes that are kind of close together. Yeah, monkeys have their eyes a little bit closer together. So this is the eyebrow that makes it not look like it's close together. And so I'm going to shape the eyes, go around it, and then I'm going to make that a little bit wider. I'm going to play with the mouth a little bit. I add a little bit below the mouth, made it kind of dark in the middle. But you can look at the picture and do what you want with it. What else can you do? It's kind of dark here. I'm reshaping my oval, just kind of fixing it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and make a dark line here for the pupil. And what else do I want to do? I think I'm going to add the highlight, reshape the eyes so they're small. The eyes are really small, and then shade it in. So I'm going to speed it up when I shade it in. You can use colored pencils, you can use crayons, you can use markers or a pen. So this is wide, so I'm going to go ahead and make that a little bit thicker. So I'm cupping around that, and then I'm going to go around the eyes again and make it dark, and then also go around the eyes with kind of a lightish area like that. There it's a little bit lighter, so I won't shade that in as much. What else can I do? Oh, the ears. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of make C's, and then I'm going to double up my lines just a little bit more. And oh yeah, let's erase as needed. It's good to get rid of some of your extra lines before you start to shade. So I'm going to go ahead and just lightly go in and shade all of this in. And I'm going in one direction, kind of keeping it steady, but if you want to go in the direction of the fur, you can. I have posted let's make the head a little bit bigger. Yeah, I've posted the image in the comments so you can look at what I used. And here's the body, and then I'm going to make it pretty dark around the face, really press down hard just to frame the face. So this is how to draw a monkey. And I hope you enjoy. I hope you like and subscribe and also make some comments. Enjoy again.